Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by logging into Linktree and confirming you have access to the custom icon option. If you don't, upgrade to Pro. Once logged in, open the Links tab and locate the specific link you want to modify. You should already have a prepared one PNG or SVG under 1 MB saved. Make sure the file name is concise and clear because you'll upload it next. Begin editing the chosen link now. This is where the process moves from prep to action. You click the Edit button next to the link and select Add Image or Upload Image, depending on the interface, then pick your prepared file. Once uploaded, adjust the crop so the focal element remains centered. This matters because Linktree scales icons down to around 48 to 64 pixels. Make sure the contrast and simplicity work at that size, and then confirm the upload. After confirming, use the in-editor preview to verify placement and appearance. This step avoids surprises on mobile viewers. You save the link edits, then refresh your public Linktree page to confirm the icon appears. Test on both mobile and desktop, because caching or responsive scaling can hide errors. If the icon fails to display, clear your browser cache and try re-uploading a simpler version of the file. Remove extra transparency or complex gradients and favor a clean SVG or PNG. If problems continue after retries and cache clears, contact Linktree support with screenshots and your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.